Are you ready to ditch your boring job and build a career that's literally creating millions in revenue? Yes, I'm talking about digital marketing. It is the engine of the modern economy, and the demand for professionals who can prove the return of investment is through the roof. Hello, I'm Ajay, and I've seen this field change people's life. So in this video, I'm not just sharing a plan, but an ultimate step-by-step roadmap to dominate digital marketing in 2026. From mastering AI tools to running a high ROI campaign, this roadmap has it all, so let's dive in. Every successful digital marketer needs a rock-solid foundation. So your first mission is to master the 3 core digital pillars. First, content marketing and copywriting. This is the engine. You must know how to write persuasive and engaging copy that grabs attention, especially for the viral, trending, short-form videos that every brand is looking for. Now second, SEO or search engine optimization. Here you learn keyword research and on-page optimization to get free and high-quality traffic from Google and other platforms. And finally, the third pillar, social media marketing, where you can go beyond just posting. So you need to understand platform-specific strategy, community building, and crafting content for different social media platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Okay, now to go from good to great, you should understand these 2 crucial skills. Which brings us to step number 2, mastering paid media and analytics. You should understand what PPC, pay-per-click is, while advertising across Google and Meta. But most importantly, you need to live inside Google Analytics 4. Learn how to read campaign performance, track user journey, and measure what exactly works so you no longer do the guessing game. Okay, now step number 3. Build your essential tool stack and embrace AI. You need to be fluent with the software. Like for SEO, use SEMrush, and for design, you need to be quick with Canva. But most importantly, you need to integrate AI tools like ChatGPT to streamline your copy and speed up your workflow. Remember, AI is your assistant, so use it to move faster. Once you have all the foundation, it's time for step number 4, choosing a specialization. Because you cannot be a generalist forever. If you're an analytical thinker, you can become a performance marketing specialist. If you're good at writing, focus on content strategy. Because picking a niche and focusing on it and mastering it makes you highly valuable in the market. This leads us to step number 5, building your portfolio. This is like your professional currency. So you need to show rather than just tell what you can do. So start with a personal project. It can be a freelance gig or a niche blog. Go through the entire marketing process and most importantly, document the result. Create a small case study showing the before and after, like how you increase the engagement by 35% using a campaign, and post it on your LinkedIn profile. To truly stand out and prove your mastery, you need a powerful credential. And that's why Star Agile, we have designed digital marketing certification course. This recognized certification not just validates your skill, but gives you expert and hands-on training that you need to succeed. You can find the course link in the description. Next and the final stage, networking. So optimize your LinkedIn, start posting insights, and engage with your industry peers. But why all this work? Well, the earning potential. Here in India, the growth is massive. Freshers with the experience of 0 to 1 can earn between 3 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. And mid-level specialists can jump significantly, earning from 6 to 12 LPA. And senior leaders can earn 15 lakhs per annum or beyond. And that is your complete step-by-step roadmap to crush it as a digital marketer in 2026. You can check the link in the description to learn more and start your career as a digital marketer. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Star Agile for more career insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.